Have you ever wondered if you can run multiple modules in Ansible using a single ad hoc command? It sounds tricky, but you're not alone in this quest. Today, we're diving into how to streamline your Ansible tasks. I totally get it. Running multiple ad hoc commands can feel tedious, especially when you want to execute tasks efficiently. Many users face this challenge, and it's completely valid to seek a better way. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked if it's possible to execute multiple tasks in Ansible using a single ad hoc command instead of a playbook. They provided an example of creating a directory and copying a public key. Let's explore this together. So what's the deal with Ansible ad hoc commands? They are designed for quick, one-off tasks, but they have limitations when it comes to executing multiple modules at once. Understanding this will help us find a workaround. Stick around. By the end of this video, I'll share a clever workaround that will make your Ansible tasks much more efficient. To run multiple modules in Ansible using a single ad hoc command, the user can utilize the Ansible command with the -m option for each module they want to execute. The user should note that using -n allows the commands to run sequentially. This means the second command will only execute if the first one is successful. Alternatively, the user can combine the tasks into a single command using a shell command. This can be done by wrapping the commands in quotes. Finally, the user should ensure that they have the necessary permissions to execute these commands on the target hosts. This may require using the become option if elevated privileges are needed. Fun fact: Ansible was named after a fictional device in science fiction that allows instantaneous communication. Just like that device, we want our commands to be quick and efficient. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by a user is to use Ansible console with Ad-Hoc. This method allows you to execute multiple commands in one line. However, it's important to note that this solution lacks error handling and can be difficult to read. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative approach shared by a user involves using a single ad hoc command in Ansible. They suggest executing a shell command to create the .ssh directory and then using scp to copy the public key in one line. Here's a pro tip. Always test your commands in a safe environment before running them on production servers. This can save you from potential mishaps. And there you have it. While you can't run multiple modules in a single ad hoc command, chaining commands is a great workaround. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Ansible tips and tricks.